Hello friends, welcome once again. Uh, Today we are going to talk about uh, merging videos using Icecream video editor software, but actually we have some limitations in free version. So what is that limitation? So let's visit the site, and on the site it is mentioned that in this free video editor free version we can see timeline scenes. It can be either less equals to 20, more than 20 it cannot accept. Similarly, video length it should be maximum 10 minutes. So if we have more than 20 scenes, then how to work with that? Just I'm going to give you an idea in this free version. If we have more than 20 scenes, then how to work? For that, let's open the software. Let's go for new project. Suppose we have uh, 20 scenes here. I'm just counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. So altogether we have 22 scenes here. So let's select all. Let's open all. So all the files imported here. Now let's drag them to timeline. So it is asking upgrade to Pro because we have used 22 cents. So we cannot work with this free version. So how to work if we have more than 20 cents? Just I'm going to give you idea. So it accepted up to 19 cents only here. So if that is the case, we can do one thing there, that we can click new project. We can click new project, and actually some short videos we can merge them. We can make them one video, and that video we can import in this timeline. Then it would become efficient for us. So like creating new project, and there suppose we are going to add this scene and this scene. So open. So we can drag here. So three scenes just we added here. Now we can make it one file by clicking export video. We can make it one file, and this file we can use in our previous project. So let's go to next project, and that file we can insert from here. So this is how we can use trick if we have more than 20 cents, and we don't want to upgrade to pro version. Then we can open two files simultaneously by clicking my project and new, and there we can merge some files, and that file we can import over here, and from there to here we can work. So this was just a trick we can apply in this Icecream video editor If we have multiple scenes, more than 20 scenes, then if we have less than that, then it is okay. Otherwise, we can use it. Thank you guys for your time once again. So this is how we can use Icecream video editor software to edit our video, to do some changes, to merge, to crop, etc. Thank you for your time and just goodbye, take care and stay positive.